Guys, this village style puff puff is what you want to try. It was so yummy and tasty, and you're going to love it once you replicate it. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this puff puff. The first thing you're going to do is to get a bowl or a pot. Then you measure out your sifted flour. Make sure that your flour is sifted to trap unwanted particles. Then next you go in with your yeast. Okay, so after that, the next to go in is your sugar. Next you go in with your salt. Then you combine the dry ingredients together. So after that, you're going to be adding lukewarm water. Then you mix and mix until you get a light and fluffy puff puff batter. So this is how your puff puff batter is going to look like after mixing. Then you're going to set this aside. Make sure you cover and leave for about 1 hour. So here we have fresh pepper. Okay, this is called bonnet. Here pounded. Then after 1 hour, this is our puff puff batter. Add the pounded pepper, then go in with some chopped onions. Guys, you're going to love onions in your puff puff once you try it out. So mix, then you set that aside. So guys, I'm in the village, so I'm going to be using firewood to fry this puff puff. So pour in some oil, enough oil rather, to deep fry. Then you add in your puff puff batter. Guys, that tastes firewood food gives. Okay, yes, that is what this is also giving. That is what this also gave. Okay, so once it's golden brown, it is ready. So you're going to transfer into a paper towel to drain excess oil. Guys, this is a puff puff recipe you want to replicate. You are going to love it so much. So you repeat the same process by adding the butter into the hot oil, then leave until it's golden brown, and make sure you stir at close intervals to avoid burning, and make sure you don't fry on a very high heat. So guys, as you guys can see, this other batch is ready. You're going to repeat the same process until you exhaust your puff puff batter. And guys, this is what we have. As you guys can see, this puff puff is looking yummy and it tasted so yummy. So this is a puff puff recipe you want to try out. For the recipe measurements, check the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and just subscribe. See you guys. Bye.